is Bolt. Let us play a fun game. Shoot. Shoot.
Fun, isn't it? Now let's look at the code. Let's start with the Bolt code. So as soon as we start the program, we have an introductory animation followed by the message, "Hello, my name is Bolt. Let us play a fun game." And then we clear the matrix for the other animations. And then we keep checking if the total velocity is greater than 40, which means if we are moving it quickly, and then if it is, then it says shoot, and then it shows an animation of a ball getting thrown, and then it sends this message. There are 8 different IR messages that the Sphero Bolt can send, and they're numbered 0 through 7. So we are going to use message 7 here, and we're setting it at this particular intensity 32. In the Arduino code, we are having a variable shoot, which is set to this value, and this is the value which corresponds to the message number 7. We can find out this value by using this code, and this code will just show you whatever data it's getting from the IR sensor. So then we just initialize the IR receiver and the servo in the setup method, and in the loop method we check if there is something to receive from the IR sensor, and if it is, it checks if that value is equal to the shoot variable, which is the value that we want to get from message 7, and if it is, it increases this variable val. The val variable is the variable which will store the angle value of the servo motor. So we increase it to increase the angle of the servo motor, and then we do servo.write val, which increases the angle of the motor and makes the ball go forward. Then we decrease the value of val, and so that it returns back to its original value of 0, and then we do servo.write val again, which will bring the servo back to its original position. Hope you enjoyed it a lot. Bye.